Functional fitness for all, from roots to fruits dental. Hi, I'm Dr. Jen, your favorite physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. And today on the Genergy Wellness Show, I'll share with you one of my favorite snacks that I have for lunch every day to help keep my gut healthy and strong, using one of my favorite foods, avocado. Shirt compliments of Austin Wynn. He's another physical therapist who's also a registered dietitian, so I'll leave his information in the video description below so you can check him out and get one of these wonderful shirts that says, "You walk my world." Also, this fantastic shaker bottle that you can make your smoothies or your protein shakes in that says Avocado. So, avocados, if you didn't know, are loaded with potassium, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate. They also have heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. They also have a ton of fiber, which can help support your weight loss, keeping you full longer. They're full of antioxidants. They can reduce your risk for cancer. They can decrease your arthritis symptoms. And they also decrease your cholesterol and your triglyceride level. So a wonderful, wonderful addition. One avocado a day is really what I try to stick to. So let's get started with this. I have one chicken breast here and I've shredded it all up in this glass bowl. Then I'm gonna take a full avocado, cut it with the knife, okay, and then either a fork or a spoon, and I just kind of scrape it out right into the bowl. And then for the seed, I just kind of squeeze at the back like this, and the seed plops right in there. Okay, and I'm gonna use the fork again, and I just kind of scoop it out like this, right there. Awesome. Okay, and then I'm gonna stir it all around. So we're basically making chicken salad minus the mayonnaise. Avocado is a fantastic substitute for mayonnaise. It's way better for you. And if you have issues with dairy, which some of us do, then this is another really, really great way that you can make sure you're getting protein and fiber and all the other benefits. All right. So this next ingredient that I'm gonna add may be a deterrent for some of you. So if you wanna stop here, that's fine. It's delicious like this. Add a little salt, add a little pepper, add some oregano, some garlic, and you basically have halfway between guacamole and chicken salad. But this next ingredient is my personal favorite because it has probiotics, which are so good for our gut. It is, in fact, fermented cabbage, also affectionately known as sauerkraut. So I really like this brand. This is the Cleveland Kraut. It's in the refrigerated section because it does have live probiotics. So you wanna make sure you keep it refrigerated. The reason I like this one is it doesn't have any preservatives. So the ingredients here are green cabbage, garlic, kosher salt, and black pepper. Another really good brand that I find sometimes is the Bubby's brand. It's the same ingredients except for it doesn't have pepper. So if you're someone who is on the AIP, autoimmune paleo protocol, then you'll want to go with the Bubby's since you can't do the pepper. Alrighty, I'm gonna scoop out. I'm gonna do just a couple forks full here. Okay, and then I'm gonna stir it all together. And the sour flavor that you get from the sauerkraut is still there, but it's definitely masked by the creamy flavor that you get from the avocado. Okay. And again, you can add salt, pepper, whatever you want to this. I like to keep it kind of bland just because I sometimes have issues with my gut. So I'm really not trying to upset anything, just trying to eat some food that's really good for you. All right, so if I haven't sold you on sauerkraut, you can also get some good gut health from kombucha. So this is a blueberry kombucha from one of our local kombucha distilleries that is called Flow Alchemy. So if you have a local place, always support local. If you don't, GT is one of my favorite kombucha brands. They have some really, really great flavors. It does have a little bit more vinegary flavor than the local brand, which I really love. But if you, again, don't have a local brand, GT's is my favorite brand. if I haven't sold you on kombucha because you don't like that fermented tea flavor, a really great addition to your day is this LaCroix. This is the key lime flavor, and it's got that little bubbly carbonation, but again, doesn't have any preservatives or any added sugars. So if you're expecting something sweet, don't grab a LaCroix because you will be disappointed, but it's a little more fun than water. So all of those are good options. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you're willing to try something new. It is delicious. It's better than it sounds, I promise. And if you don't love it, just add some extra spices, and you can even get some spicy seasoning in there, like some cayenne or crushed red peppers if you like a little bit more kick to your chicken salad. So I hope you have a great day. Drop me a comment below if you have another recipe like this that you want me to try, or if you're excited about trying this on your own. Give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel grow and reach more people who want to learn about nutrition. Have a beautiful day. I hope you're happy, healthy, and strong. Disclaimer! Avocados should be allowed to grow in their natural habitat and should not be kept as pets. Also, I'm pretty sure that she pronounced this wrong. It's LaCroix! And also, this one is kind of sour. But I kind of like it. This one tastes like delicious candy. Ha ha ha! Next drink.